What's up, fans? Welcome back to another Joshua Quigg video. Start this video the way I start off every video. By grabbing some watermelon.
You're not allowed to have all of it?
Oh yeah. I don't know what to say now. For those of you who aren't super familiar with my life, I'm 18 years young. You saw from the title, but I'm gonna be talking about driving today. I'm a pretty good driver. It's not bragging if it's the truth. I've only been pulled over like a few times and I've only been in a couple wrecks, so like, I'm okay. But one of the major problems I've seen on the road, especially where I live, is people don't know how to drive roundabouts for some reason. And it's a very simple concept. To start off, I'm gonna give oral instruction, and then we're actually gonna go through a roundabout. We're gonna get in your car and watch this video, and we're gonna do it step by step. And you can drive along with me, okay? It's gonna be a really cool interactive video. Michael's mom's here, so we're gonna delay this video for a second.
Howdy.
It's going if you want to do something funny.
I have nothing funny to say right now. Michael's mom decided it'd be fun to come downstairs and cook it up, so we're up here now. I'm just kidding. I'm not mad. We'll break it down into steps. Step 1. So you're pulling up in the whip in the taxi cab.
Sorry, last week drove the taxi cab.
You don't have a stack of cash or a flashy pad. I saw you last week driving a taxi cab.
So the first thing you're gonna do, no matter what the circumstance, yield. Step 1, yield. Step 2, you're gonna look to the left. And if there's anybody in the roundabout and there's not a wide enough gap, you'll wait for them to pass. Pretty simple, right? Step 3, once you have entered the roundabout, don't stop. Just keep going, you know? And then step 4, this is a little bonus courteous step, but you turn on your blinker and make your turn out. Now let's go to the car to see this in action. So we're in the car, getting ready for the steps. How this is gonna work is we're gonna do one step in the car, so you can see it from this POV, and then my lovely cameraman Michael is gonna step out and we're gonna see an outer POV as well. So we are approaching the roundabout. Let's just walk through this. Just walk through it. Put your thinking caps on. Remember step 1, what was it? Yield, that's right. So I'm gonna get here, look, yield, that Jeep could be coming, so I'm gonna pop left. Ah, look, he was. So now it's my turn to go. Voila, I'm in the circle. That person went, so that's fine. I'm gonna go, be courteous, turn my blinker on, ta-da. Easy as that, and we're done. Now let's do it from the outside. We saw how simple that was. I'm gonna demonstrate it one more time on a different roundabout just so we can get the lay of the land and do more than one. But for this one, we're just gonna do an outer view because I think you already got it.
I think there's one more roundabout.
One final instruction.
All right, so yield.
Yield, check the left, nobody's coming. So I'm just gonna, and then ta-da! That's really all I got for you today, folks. Just trying to make the Lynchburg, no, actually the world community, a better driving, safer place for everybody. This may be a one and only driving tutorial, but we'll see if this gets over 20 views. Maybe we'll make another one. Try it at home and comment and tell me how it went. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Rocky, freaking stop!